Free-range females.
Oh, meteors. Are you seeing this? It's the stars. Oh my god. Stars, the meteors. Meteor shower. My eyeballs. I might get eaten by desert monsters, but I don't care. I'll die happy. I'll die so happy. Bring it, desert monsters. So worth it. Oh, I think I'm gonna pee. I'm gonna pee on myself. Oh, I don't even care.
And we saw meteors and stars and meteors and meteors just pew, 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 balls of fire. Whoa, and you can see the smoke trails after it burned up. Why are you excited about this? She doesn't care like I do. They're awesome. I saw space rocks die a fiery, doomful death. It was like lasers and then sky lasers and alien laser fights. Pew, pew, pew. Get excited. Pew, 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 pew. Yeah, laser show. Woohoo! Laser! Like sky balls of fire! Who wants to see them? I do! Modesty, Brooklyn. Ooh, she doesn't like it. She likes to be a whore. Yes, just take her place. Sky fiber, get you. You were so beautiful. Beautiful.
The thing about the desert is you show up at night, it's pitch black, you can't see anything, and then you wake up in the morning and you see stuff you had no idea was there. Like mountains! I had no idea!
There's also a Hawker's Mountain.
I didn't see these last night! I didn't see that! I didn't see those! I saw that because it was lit up. But I didn't see these! Look, it's mountains! Mountains! I didn't see these! Aggressive bees? No! No! Nature, no! That's rain! A rainstorm in the distance. Joshua trees. Ah, Joshua trees. So awesome. And then this one's like me. Yay! You are great, Joshua tree. And then some dumbass lit a fire over there. There's fire. Look at that crazy ass Medusa tree. Medusa! Fist bump nature! Oh, San Andreas Fault. Most famous fault in the country. Oh, look at that bird soaring. Whoa, caught lightning on video! Again. Happen again. Got it! Got the lightning! Oh my god! Sweet! I failed at still photography of lightning. Success. Lightning video. Oh! Yes! Yes! I got lightning on video! Success. Lightning video.
Free-range females.